Hello and welcome. This is Mr. Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will learn about Loft and Revolve command. So let's get started. First we will learn about Loft command. You can see here I will click on this drop down arrow and you can see the second option here is Loft command and the third will be Revolve. So let's see how to do this. For example, I will just take a circle here. Okay, I will just take a circle. Again, I will just take another circle here. So I will just click here. Okay, in the center of the circle. Okay. Now again, I want to just take a rectangle. Sorry, I will just click here and I will just okay. Now again, I will take a rectangle here and I will just make a rectangle here. Okay, let me just okay. Now I will just move this in Z direction. Okay, so first what I will do, I will just move this one, M enter, make sure your ortho mode is on. Okay, now I will move this one, for example here, and now I will just move this circle here. Okay, so I will move it here. Now we will use here Loft command. I will go here in this drop down and I will activate Loft from here. I will click here. Now you can see it is asking about select cross selection in lofting order. Okay, so I will just select in order first, second and third. First I will just click here. Okay, then I will click here and then at third I will click here. Now you can see this is solid shape. Loft command is used to make a solid shape, but the thing is that your object should be in series. Okay, now again let's see another sequence here. I will just undo this one. Now I will just activate this Loft from here. Okay, now I will select this center circle first, then second one this one, and then third one this one. Okay, now you can see this is a different shape. Okay, so it is also affect that how you will select a object. Okay, so this is all about Loft command. You can just revolve from here as well. Okay, you can see this is a different object here. Okay, now another command here is revolve command. Okay, so let's see how to use revolve here. So I will just zoom in. Okay, and here you can see there are two objects for revolving. Okay, so I will just go here and you can see the second command here is third command, sorry, here is revolve. So in revolve you need one object and the second thing that you need is axis around which you will revolve. For example, this is an object and around this line I will revolve this object. Okay, so let's just activate revolve command from here. I will click here and first I will just select this object, then I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify axis start point. Okay, so this is axis. I will just give first point and then second point. Around this I will revolve and now you can see this is going to solid. Okay, now I will just give angle here 360 degree I will give and I will hit enter. Now you can see here this object is going to revolve around this axis. Again, as you can see, this object is away from this axis. Let's see how this object will be revolved here. Okay, I will activate this one and I will select this object and I will hit enter. Now it is asking about axis, so I will give first point, second point. Now it is going to revolve around this axis, but you can see here there is a hole between. Now I will just give 360 degree angle and I will hit enter. Now you can see just because of that distance the hole is created in this shape. Okay, so this is how you can use revolve command as well. So I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.